Hi, this is Diana with WTI. Do you need a body wash that can cleanses and exfoliates without disrupting the protective skin barrier? You are going to love this product, CeraVe Body Wash. And there's so many presentations for this product, but I chose to use the gel formula. Even my 12-year-old son likes to use this product at nighttime. He's got some blackheads around his nose, and that has been helping him a lot, leaving his skin very clean and fresh. And so he even uses it. The other thing about it is that we can use it as many times as we want throughout the day. So I really recommend this product. Even your kids can use it for the acne, the blackheads in the face. So you will love this product. The first time I used it, and I use it 2 to 3 times a day. You will love it. That is my point of view.